Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chimney caps that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DuraPlus 8-inch chimney cap. The DuraPlus 80-inch chimney cap is made of stainless steel that resists corrosion for long-lasting, reliable use. Its triple-wall design protects against harmful sparks and minimizes rain entry. The compressible blanket insulation eliminates hot spots and permits outward liner expansion in case of a creosote fire. This chimney cap is designed for normal, continuous operation at 1000 degrees Fahrenheit flue gas temperatures and meets rigorous and stringent HT requirements of the UL standard. It comes with a spark arrestor screen and removable screws for easy cleaning, making it suitable for appliances fueled by wood, oil, coal, or gas. Moving on, at number 4 we have the VIVOHOME 8 adjustable chimney cap. The VIVOHOME chimney cap is designed for versatility and ease of use. Its adjustable valve allows you to fit it perfectly on different pipe sizes, ensuring a secure installation. With a large 11.8 cap, it effectively keeps rain and snow out of your chimney, providing peace of mind during harsh weather. The sturdy 0.55mm galvanized steel construction resists damage from elements like rain and snow, enhancing durability. Plus, the quick assembly process means you can install it easily on your own, saving you time and effort while protecting your chimney. At number 3, we have the YITAHOME 13x17 chimney cap. The YITAHOME chimney cap offers adjustable sizing, making it easy for you to fit flues from 11x16 inches to 15.4, 19.3 inches. This feature ensures a snug fit that enhances performance. The cap provides extensive protection by keeping out leaves, debris, rain, and small animals, which helps maintain a clean flue. With its dense mesh design, it promotes efficient ventilation, allowing smoke to exit smoothly and improving your stove's combustion. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, this cap withstands harsh weather, ensuring longevity and reliable protection for your fireplace. At number 2, we have the VEVOR Chimney Cap 6-inch. VEVOR Chimney Cap is a durable 11.81 stainless steel rain cap that effectively prevents water infiltration, protecting your chimney from dampness, mold, and corrosion. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, it resists rust and harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. The stable structure with wind-resistant mesh and expansion screws keeps it secure in adverse weather, safeguarding your chimney. Say goodbye to blockages caused by debris and animals, as this cap prevents their entry, providing year-round protection for smooth smoke discharge. Enjoy smoke-free heating indoors and outdoors with this Multi-Flue compatible cap. And finally, at number 1, we have the hvac Multi-Flue Chimney Cap, HGB 17291. The hvac chimney cap is designed for multi-flue masonry chimneys, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. With its dimensions of 17x29, it fits properly on chimney tops measuring 20x32. The durable 24-gauge galvanized steel hood features scalloped corners and roll-formed edges, providing extra strength while making cleaning a breeze. Additionally, the 18-gauge galvanized steel mesh ensures that debris stays out, protecting your chimney from blockages. The attractive black powder coat finish not only looks great, but also withstands various weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.